Okonomiyaki is a Japanese savory pancake. It's made with cabbage, batter, and various toppings. Since it's a popular food, it's sold at almost every food stall at the Japanese festival. You can easily make it at home. Try making it with cabbage that's in season now. Cut the Taiwanese flat cabbage into 1/3 inch, 8 mm pieces. If you only have regular cabbage, shred it thinly. Adding edo to the batter makes it light and fluffy. It gets slippery, so peel only the part you will grate. Make the batter with cake flour. Add dashi powder. If you use dashi stock, it's not necessary. Mix while breaking up any lumps of cake flour. Add milk, water or dashi stock, and edo to the dry ingredients. Use a whisk and tap while mixing the flour and liquid. This helps minimize the stickiness caused by the gluten in the flour. Add your favorite ingredients to the cabbage. Okonomi means your choice of ingredients. Once you add the batter and eggs, lightly mix everything together. To avoid over-mixing, okonomiyaki restaurants intentionally serve the ingredients in a small bowl. Spread it to about 8 inch 20 cm in diameter. Pork belly releases fat and becomes crispy when cooked. Cover and cook until the bottom is golden brown. Then flip it over. Cover again, and once the pork belly is crispy, it's ready to serve. Finish with okonomiyaki sauce, mayonnaise, bonito flakes, and aonori. If you don't have an okonomi sauce, mix a little oyster sauce into tonkatsu sauce. Aonori, dried nori flakes, can be purchased online.